Australia's first Chinese or person of Asian background presenter on Channel 9. We talk about, if you can see it, you can be it.
Great conversation opener. So this is why I'm giving you these.
Or inequality in the workplace, most especially.
To say 3 things in human life are important. The first is to be kind, the second is to be kind, and the third is to be kind. And so kindness is my word of the day, and I hope it's yours too.
Afghan women's soccer team, Fatima Yusuf.
Online and on so many other platforms.
I didn't know the women are also professional players out there in the world. I never knew about them. But when I figured out about the women, I was so obsessed to the game. And with all those difficulties, without even... I think my mom was the biggest role model for me. Acceptable. This is the biggest thing that they can do.
In women in leadership and a student there, I should.
We want to get to the feeling of I belong here, I'm valued, I'm empowered, and I can be the best version of myself that I can be.
In that moment, I felt clarity. My passion for learning about mental health and supporting others emerged even stronger than ever before. I shared my fears with others. Did I realize that my vulnerability didn't push people away? It brings us closer together.
So that's why 8 years ago, when I started having a stable income, I started to figure out how
in building connections in another language. Who am I to say this?
Study, but also to escape from where I was.
At Department of Education and Training. Alright.
Back then, all I wanted to do was to create something of my own. Although it was a simple concept of self.
And this time, we get to do what we want with it. And that's the trick.